Hey, what's going on? So we're going to be looking at Zillow, which is like it's a website that you can view houses or view homes in your area. We're going to break down how Zillow works, and then maybe if you're a real estate agent or you're looking to create something like this where you can upload homes for sale in your area, you want people to be able to come see the homes, maybe favorite their homes that they're interested in, get in touch with you. You have agents working under you that you want them to also be able to upload homes. We're going to explain how all that works. Let me share my screen. All right, so this is how Zillow looks like. If you've never seen Zillow before, this is how it looks like. You type in the city that you live in, or a city maybe that you're moving to, or a city that you're interested in, and then it shows you the various homes in that area. And the cool thing about Zillow is if you move to a different place, it automatically updates. So like this, because I have this city typed in, it won't work. But if I go like this, see, and I continue to drag, you see how it updates based on where I am. So let me go back and type that in. All right. So here, Orlando, Florida, for this example, you see all the homes that are available here in Orlando. This is very useful because let's say I or somebody is trying to move to Orlando and I'm interested in this. If I click this heart here, I can save it. I can favorite, okay, maybe this is a house I'm interested in. Now you notice that the heart doesn't save probably because I'm not signed in. Yeah, see, signed in or registered to save home. So that's why it's not working because I'm not signed in. But ideally, you make an account, you sign in, then you can save your favorited homes. So if you're looking to build something like this for your own business, or this is something that seems interesting to you, how would something like this work? So very simple. I'm going to break it down to you. Basically, how it works is you're going to create an application. There's going to be like different levels of users on the app. There's going to be one who is probably you, who is like the admin. So the admin can go and add new listings. The admin can also go in and um, allow people to make an account to also add listings like maybe other agents under you, but maybe they can't actually delete any other people. Maybe you are the only admin that can delete other people. So you are like the sole admin. Then of course, like the second group we mentioned, you might have other agents who they too can go in and upload people. So that way you're not all just using the same account. They can go in and upload homes. They can go and maybe edit homes, edit the price, edit the street name. Maybe they can just upload and delete homes. That's it. But they can't actually affect any other users. They can just upload and delete homes. And then you want to have also another account for customers. Like you see how when I tried to heart the I tried to heart the home and it said I had to sign in. So you want customers to be able to create an account, but you want a potential buyer to be able to edit somebody else's listing, right? You wouldn't want that. But maybe you want them to be able to submit to you some information. So then you can also create a feature like that, that maybe they can submit to you a house that they're looking to sell, and then they'll come directly to you. So with an app like this, there's different levels that you have to think about because not everybody's going to have the same level of authority in an app like this, but it's very useful tool like this that you can actually see homes for sale in your area. And if you're looking to build something like this, maybe you use Zillow, but you realize you need something more custom or you want something more custom. I hope I was able to explain to you how something like this would work. Once again, there's three levels. There's most likely going to be you, the admin, and then also the developer who is helping you out with this. Maybe you have other agents, or maybe you don't, but if you do, you may have other agents that they too can have other privileges like add home, delete home, but they can't affect anybody else. And then you have the customers who maybe can save items. Maybe they can upload things and it goes to you to check it, whatever the case may be. But I hope I was able to explain to you a little bit about how an app like Zillow would work if you're trying to build a custom version. If you have any questions, any ideas, maybe you're looking to build something like this, please feel free to send me an email. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Once again, hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.